Hello, engineers. Welcome back to our YouTube channel and TikTok account. By the way, this is Engineer Jiban Aiko Kalaki at sa araw na to is magsosolve tayo ng isang past REE board examination. So itong problem natin ngayon, engineers, is taken from a power system analysis REE April 2026 board examination. Okay, without further ado, let's start our discussion. So this is our sample problem, engineers. So sample problem number 1, power system analysis, REE, April 2026 board examination. So yung problem natin, engineers, given the following line impedances of a 4-bus system, solve for Y33. Okay, ulitin natin. Given the following line impedance of a 4-bus system, solve for Y33. So, sabi sa problem engineers, meron daw tayong given dito na table to which given niya is the resistance and the reactance. So, combination ng dalawa, it is called impedance. So, we have bus 1 to 2, bus 1 to 3, bus 2 to 3, bus 2 to 4, and bus 3 to 4. Okay? So, for bus 1 to 2, we have 0.05 and 0.15. And then for bus 13, 0.1 and 0.3. For bus 23, we have 0.15 and 0.45. And then for bus 2 to 4, we have 0.1 and 0.3. And then last, we have bus 3 to 4, we have 0.05 and 0.15 respectively. So yung hinahanap dito sa problem engineers is yung Y33 or the admittance at bus 3 to 3 or at bus 3 rather. So ito yung magiging solution natin dito, engineers. So we have admittance sub 33 or Y sub 33 is equal to the summation of Y sub 13 plus Y sub 2 to 3 plus Y sub 3 to 4. Ulitin natin, yung impedance at bus 3 is equivalent to the impedance rather. The admittance at bus 3 or bus 33 is equal to the admittance at bus 1 to 3 plus bus 1 to 2 to 3 and bus 3 to 4. So in terms of impedance, we have Y sub 33 is equal to 1 over Z13 plus 1 over Z23 plus 1 over Z34. Okay? For bus Z13, we have 0.1 and 0.3. 0.1 for RPU and 0.3 for XPU. So therefore, yung impedance natin dito is equivalent to 1 over, yung impedance natin is 0.1 plus J 0.3. The next is the Z23 or impedance at bus 2 to 3. So ito yung ating bus 2 to 3. We have 0.15 for RPU and 0.45 for XPU. So therefore, we have 1 over the impedance natin na 0.15 plus J 0.45. And last, we have impedance at bus 3 to 4. So ito yung ating bus 3 to 4. So we have 0.05 for RPU and 0.15 for XPU. So therefore, we have plus 1 all over the impedance at 3 to 4 is equivalent to 0.05 plus J 0.15. Then next, using your calculator, engineers, so gagawin natin, punta lang tayo sa mood 2 and then input natin tong ating equation. So we have 1 over 0.1 plus J 0.3 or 0.3i plus 1 all over 0.15 plus 0.45i, and next is plus 1 all over 0.05 plus 0.15i. Then after natin ma-input lahat, enter equal, so may result tayo dito na 3.666667 minus 11i. So therefore, yung value ng ating y33 or y sub 33 is equal to 3.6667 minus g11. So therefore, ito yung ating final answer. So dito na magtatapos yung ating discussion today. I hope marami kayong natutunan sa video na to. And huwag niyong kalimutan mag-share, like, and subscribe sa ating YouTube channel at TikTok account para mas marami pa po tayong ma-reach at matulungan ng mga aspiring board exam takers. Okay, dito na magtatapos yung ating discussion. Maraming salamat sa panonood and see you next time.